Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a very quick unboxing of the brand new Melt Cosmetics Blueprint collection. I purchased this myself with all my own money. I decided to get the PR box because it was cheaper because I wanted to get 2 of the liquid lipsticks and the stack. So it was just cheaper to get everything and do it that way. Unfortunately, I did have to pay customs on this since I live in Canada. I had to pay like 15 bucks, which isn't bad, but it's slightly annoying. So this is the box it comes in. It did not come in like a normal Melt box. It just came in a like brown box. And then this is the inside. It feels so nice. It feels very luxurious. And let's just open this bag up. And then you get all these pretties. Now, the blue packaging is amazing. If you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing today, I'm wearing Bellasona from Melt Cosmetics. This is like my favorite liquid lipstick ever. I love the shade and I love the applicator. The blue packaging is so freaking adorable. I absolutely love it. They said that the packaging is limited edition,
but I believe that the products aren't. They haven't said for sure, but I'm pretty sure they're permanent.
We have the actual products from the collection. You get 3 liquid lipsticks and an eyeshadow stack. First, I want to talk about the liquid lipsticks. You get Fuse, which is this really light peachy color. Earthling, which is this grayish color. It's so beautiful. And then you get the shade Circuit, which is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful deep, deep blue. So I'm going to swatch those for y'all. While I let those swatches dry, let's go on to the stack. The blue packaging on this stack is really pretty, but then you take off the mirror and then bada bam.
Bada bam.
I'm very happy because usually Melt eyeshadows always come broken for me, so I'm quite impressed that these didn't. My only concern is that some of the shades are bubbling up, therefore they may break in the future, but so far, so good. Now, the thing that's unique about this stack is that they come in split pans. So this one, you get the shade Deadbolt and Skylight. I like the idea of split pans because I'll personally get more use out of a shadow if it's smaller like this. It doesn't smell good. Like, it smells like markers, honestly, which is a little bit concerning, but that's fine. Next one is Dim Out and King Stud. And then we have Hotwire and Beaming. And lastly, we have Hammered and Nailed. As for the lipstick swatches, here they are. This is the card that you get talking about the collection.
The latest development at Melt Cosmetics, the Blueprint collection. This collection includes an 8-shade stack and 3 liquid set lipsticks. Yes, you heard that right. Our first ever 8-shade stack in a limited edition blue stack component. The blue stack features 6 perfectly crafted blue and warm tone metallics and 2 structured mattes, designed to construct the foolproof wearable blue eyeshadow of your dreams. Accompanied by 3 liquids, carefully chosen to complete any look for any frame of mind.
Honestly, this collection is super dope and I am so excited to try it out. I will definitely be doing a first impression video, tutorials, and a review once I have used these. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!